This video guide is about getting rid of the pop-up windows and intrusive advertisements that are related to the website News-comuto.cc. News-comuto.cc. This is the website that primarily attacks Windows computers and Windows browsers like Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. The website indicates that you need to click on the Allow button, supposedly to watch some movie, but in reality there is no any movie here. The website simply tries to deceive you and to trick you into subscribing to its multiple ads that will be displayed as random push notifications. If you mistakenly click on the Allow button, you may be redirected to some other deceptive or even filthy website. And in some cases, such redirections may infect your computer dramatically. So you need to fix these issues immediately by going to the menu, go to Settings, select Privacy and Security, choose Site Settings, and in Permissions click on Notifications. Pay attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications, and if you find this News-comuto site, remove it from the list, as well as other malicious sites that don't make any sense. I also recommend you to additionally research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. It will help you to detect other threats that may be hidden on your system. Get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install the program, and start investigating your computer to make sure that there are no any other hidden threats remaining on your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress, and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protected against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware, and as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So, enjoy Combo Cleaner. Consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.